Are you facing an issue where your mobile data or cellular data is not working on the Pokemon Go game? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the advanced troubleshooting guide on how to solve this cellular data not working problem on the Pokemon Go app. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have usable megabytes and turn on the data connection. Otherwise, check this easy solution below. Solution 1. Turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back off. After that, check if your internet issue is fixed or not, and try our next solution. Solution 2. Turn off the low data mode. Open settings, tap on cellular data. After that, tap on the cellular data option, and ensure that you've turned off the low data mode. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not, and try our next solution. Solution 3. Try to restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches with your device's operating system. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and try the last solution. Solution 4. Offload the Pokemon Go app. Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage. Find the Pokemon Go app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. Solution 5. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, tap background app refresh, tap background app refresh again. Set this to Wi-Fi and mobile data. So, this is how you can solve the cellular data not working problem on the Pokemon Go app. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.